Hi, everybody. This week's Brown Belt Recorder lesson involves a lot of new learning, and the learning has to do with not a new note on the recorder, but a new time signature. A time signature is this group of numbers at the beginning of your music. The top number is the most important number, and it tells us how many beats are allowed to be in every single bar. And a bar is these staff lines with a line going up and down like this. That tells us that is a bar. The top number says 4 here. This is called a 4/4 time signature. The top number tells us we can have 4 beats in a bar. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we were to count that in music, we'd say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But today we're going to learn a new time signature. That's 3/4 time. There's a 3 on the top and a 4 on the bottom. That means instead of 4 beats allowed to be in a bar, you can have only 3. So that's why it says 1, 2, 3. Once you're to your third note or your third beat, you have a bar line and then you have to start all over again. So the way we would count this, we would say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It has a very different kind of sound to it in music. So that is our new thing that we're learning in the brown belt, which is called the 3/4 time signature. So we will do some practicing with these new rhythms shortly, but I'd like to show you one more thing that is new in this belt, and that is a special kind of note called a dotted half note. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second. I'm going to show it to you. It looks like this kind of note right here. So it looks like a half note or a 2-beat note, but it has a dot on the side of it. And when we see a 2-beat note with a dot on the side of it or a dotted half, that's actually worth 3 beats. So it's like 2 beats plus 1 more. So when you see that, I want you to think 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's a new note you're going to see. So let's do some rhythm right now. Let's follow along. And this symbol means to rest for 4 beats. So it's 2 beats, 2 beats, rest, 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 rest. Oh, there's 3. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, ti, ti, ta, ta, 2 beats. All right, so we count this for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 beats. Shh, shh. All right, 3 beats here. 1, 2, 3, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, ta, 2 beats. All right, now you've seen that dotted half note a few times. So remember, think of holding that note for 3 beats. Let's do a bit more rhythm practicing. For this video, we're going to see some rhythms, and I want you to say them with me like this. Okay, we're counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 beats, ta. 1, 2, 3. 2 beats, ta. 1, 2, 3. Let's try another rhythm. 2. Like this. Ta, 2 beats, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, 2 beats, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, 2 beats, ta, ti, ti, ta. There's another rhythm. Your turn. Shh, ti, ti, ta, shh, ta, ta, shh, ti, ti, ta, shh, ta, ta, shh, ti, ti, ta, shh, ta, ta. There's one of those dotted half notes. Try it with me. T, 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 T. 1, 2, 3. T, 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 T. 1, 2, 3. T, 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 T. Ta, 2, 3. Here's another one of them. 1, 2, 3. Ta, sh, T, T. 1, 2, 3. Ta, sh, T, T. 1, 2, 3. Ta, sh, T, T. All right, so now you have seen some new kinds of rhythms. Our next spot is learning how to play some of our music. So we're going to start with our warm-up song, which is Side Step. So let's try that together. Remember, left hand on top, flat fingers, right hand is holding near the bottom of your recorder. Nice soft sound like you're blowing up a bubble, not bursting the bubble. 1, 2, starts on a G. Our next song is one that is in 3/4 time. So if we look at every bar, we'll notice that there's 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3, bar line. Then one of those dotted half notes that is worth 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this song has B's in it, A's in it, C's in it, and G's in it. I'll play it for you. I'm going to count to 3 in the beginning so I can feel the 3/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And of course, there is a repeat sign at the end, so you could play it twice. I'd like to show you this one thing here. Do you see this dotted half note and this dotted half note? And they're both called G, but they're joined together with a curvy line. Remember, when we see that curvy line, we imagine that those 2 notes have been joined together like they're one note. So you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So watch out for those. The next song is called Low Note Pro, and it's going to help you get ready to play your new belt song. This song is just reviewing the low E, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and low D, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Really, really flat third finger too. We're back in 4/4 time. The C at the beginning tells us, this is a short form way of saying 4/4 time. 4/4 time is used so often that it's called common time. And so the C at the beginning is short for the word common. So when you see the C at the beginning, I want you to think 4/4 time. That means you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play it for you. You can join me if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, did you play low and slow for that song to get those nice low notes? All right, the last song here is our Amazing Grace Brown Belt. Now watch out, we're in 3/4 again. We have some low Ds. We also have the high D, which is the second finger with no thumb. And this is Amazing Grace, and you probably have heard it somewhere. I'll play it for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. All right. So that's the brown belt lesson pack, and I hope you have fun practicing and learning about 3/4 time and being able to play those low notes like a pro. Good luck.